Morning, Heba. Heba, good morning. Yeah, Heba.
Good morning, يا مستر.
Morning. Jamal. Lujain. Morning, guys. How are you? Lujain Raid or Lujain iPhone? Okay, I'm waiting for some time to give the chance to your colleagues to join. Okay, but can you hear my voice clearly? Is it clear for you guys?
Yes.
Okay. Give me a chance for 2 minutes to wait for them. Okay. Guys, can you see the page of vocabulary unit 5? Can you see this page? Heba, can you see this page?
Yes, يا مستر.
Okay. Okay. Who else will join? Now we are 6, 8, 8, but I will not count myself. You are 7 now. Okay, good. 9. Habiba وملك. Morning, Malak. جايين محمد. يا جمال. Okay, now, are you ready to start? Let's start with our new unit, unit 5 in vocabulary, part 1. Okay? As usual, we are going to deal with the first 10 words, and I hope that you can know them or memorize them by heart. Okay, let's start. The first word, amnesty. Amnesty. It's a noun. Amnesty. It's a noun. Okay. Again, it's amnesty. Now, amnesty. Okay, a general pardon for an offense against the government. Okay, a general, yes, a general pardon for an offense against the government, or in general, any act of forgiveness or absolution. Right? Okay. Again, a general pardon for an offense against the government. Okay? Or in general, any act of forgiveness. Any act for forgiveness or absolution. Synonym, reprieve. Reprieve. Okay? Can you remember this word? Amnesty. General pardon. يعني عفو كده زي ما بيدوا كده ساعات بعض المساجين عفو رئاسي ولا حاجه ظروف صحيه بالمناسبه. يبقى general pardon for an offense against a government. In general, any act of forgiveness. I think this word will help you to remember the word amnesty. Forgiveness. A general pardon or forgiveness. Okay? Synonym, reprieve. The second word, autonomy. Self-government. Political control. Self-government. Political control. Okay? Self-government. Political control. Home rule. Home rule. Something like independence. Something like independence. So, synonym, home rule. Antonym, dependence or subjection. Or subjection. Okay? Again, autonomy, self-government, political control, home rule, dependence, or subjection. The first word again, amnesty. A general pardon for an offense against government. A general pardon for an offense against government. Against government. Okay? Any act of forgiveness or absolution. Synonym, reprieve. The second word, autonomy, self-government, political control, or home rule. But the opposite, the antonym, is dependence. So we can add here independence, self-control, or home rule, self-rule. Okay? Okay. Word number 3, axiomatic. 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 Okay? Axiomatic. Self-evident. Expressing a universally accepted principle. Something that is clear and easy. It doesn't need any effort to think about it. شيء بديهي. Axiomatic. Self-evident. Expressing a universally accepted principle. Okay? Synonym, taken for granted. Or questionable, this is the antonym. Again, axiomatic, self-evident, expressing a universally accepted principle. Expressing a universally accepted principle. Okay? Taken for granted or questionable. doubtful يعني. This is the antonym. Again, let's study them by heart together in order to save time. As usual, this is my word to you. Try to study them by heart now. Amnesty, a general pardon for an offense against government. Any act of forgiveness or absolution. The word reprieve. This is the synonym. Word number 2, autonomy. Okay, word number 2, autonomy. Self-government or home rule. Self-government, political control. We can add something like independence. So the opposite is dependence. Is this clear? The third word, axiomatic. Self-evident, expressing a universally accepted principle or taken for granted or questionable. Okay, shall we move to the fourth word? Now we have become 11. Very good. Oh, 12. Come we are increasing in number. Okay. I'm going to take the names to tell Ms. Jihan about your attendance. Okay. So you can tell your colleagues who don't join us to do, because it's important for your grades. Okay, if you know any of your colleagues, please tell them to join us. This is very important for your grades in quarter 3. Okay, guys. Okay, word number 4. Pleasant. 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 To adorn or embellish, to display conspicuously, to publish, proclaim widely, to describe. So the synonym is broadcast, trumpet. The antonym is hide or conceal or bury. Okay? Again, pleasant, to adorn or embellish, to display, to show, to broadcast. Right? To publish. We have many words that can help you to remember this word, to know it by heart. Pleasant, it's a verb. To adorn or embellish, to display conspicuously, publish or proclaim widely. Synonym is broadcast or trumpet. Antonym is hide, conceal or bury. Okay? Let's see the first word, because we have newcomers who joined late. Amnesty, a general pardon for an offense against government. against government, or any act of forgiveness. Reprieve is a synonym. Okay? Autonomy, this is the second word, self-government or political control, or the synonym is home rule or independence, right? The antonym is dependence or subjection. The third word, axiomatic, self-evident, expressing a universally accepted principle, as I said in Arabic, بديهي, معروفة, taken for granted. The opposite is questionable, doubtful. Okay? Number 4, pleasant. To utter or amplish or display. You can easily remember this word by knowing this word, display or publish. Proclaim widely. Publish or proclaim widely. To broadcast, trumpet. The opposite or the antonym is hide, conceal, or bury. Okay? I think they are easy words up till now. What do you think? Do you agree with me? Can you memorize them easily now? We have just 4 words up till now. What do you think of them? Let me check the chat box. I have an answer. Yes. They are easy. I think so. تمام. Okay, Malak. Thank you. Word number 5. Caveat. 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 Again, caveat. Caveat means a warning or caution to prevent misunderstanding or discourage behavior. Warning. معناها كده ايه؟ It's easy. Warning. Caution. Why? To prevent. To prevent what? Misunderstanding or discourage behavior. Okay? تمام؟ caveat, a warning or a caution to prevent misunderstanding or discourage behavior. Antonym is admission, word to the wise. Okay, caveat, warning, caution. Why? To prevent. To prevent what? Misunderstanding. Or what? Discourage behavior. Okay? Amnesty, this is the first word, general pardon for an offense against a government or any act of forgiveness. Reprieve is the opposite. Autonomy, self government, political control or home rule or independence. Antonym is dependence. Axiomatic, self-evident, expressing a universally accepted principle or taken for granted. The opposite is questionable. Pleasant to adult or amplish, to display, to publish widely, to proclaim widely, to broadcast. The opposite is hide, conceal, or bury. Okay? And we have the fifth word, caveat, a warning, a caution, to prevent something, to prevent what? Specifically, misunderstanding or discourage behavior. Okay? I'm repeating them to help you to memorize. Word number 6. Word number 6. But let me now we have become 13. Okay, I'm waiting before taking a screenshot for your attendance. Okay, please tell your friends to join. Again, because this is so important for your attendance, for your grades in quarter 3. Okay, guys. Now, equitable. Word number 6, equitable. It's an adjective. It means fair, just, embodying principles of justice. Okay? Equitable means fair, means just, embodying principles of justice. So the antonym is right, reasonable, even-handed. The antonym is unjust, unfair, one-sided, disproportionate. Equitable means fair, means just. Okay? Let's see them again. Equitable, fair or just, embodying principles of justice. Caveat, warning, caution, prevent misunderstanding or discourage behavior. Pleasant to other or embellish, to display, to publish, to proclaim but widely. Okay? Axiomatic, self-evident, expressing universally accepted principle. Autonomy, self-government. Self-government, political control. Amnesty, general pardon for an offense against government or any act of forgiveness or absolution. Word number 7. Okay. Extricate. Extricate. Extricate, it's a verb. Means to free from entanglements or difficulties. Remove with effort. Again, to free from entanglements or difficulties. Okay? Or to remove with effort. We have two meanings, to free or to remove. To free from entanglements or difficulties, okay? Or to remove with efforts. So here we have the synonym disentangle or extract. Extract, disentangle. So when I say the synonym is disentangle, so the antonym is entangle. انمش. Okay, extricate, to free from entanglements or difficulties, to remove with efforts. Synonym, we have disentangle or extract. Antonym, enmesh or entangle. Word number 8. Again, please tell your colleagues to join before taking the attendance. I'm waiting. I don't want to miss any names. Okay. Okay, number 8, flesh. Word number 8, flesh. It means to steal. بس خلاص. To steal, especially in a sneaky way and petty amounts. Small amounts. Okay. Steal something of little value. To steal something of a little value. Okay. Again, flesh, to steal, especially in a sneaky way and in petty amounts. And I can add to steal something of a little value. Pilfer, purloin, or swipe. This is the antonym. Flesh. Okay, guys. Again, flesh means to steal, especially in a sneaky way and in petty amounts. So, word number 9, cloud. Word number 9, cloud. To mock. To treat with contempt. Okay? To mock. To laugh at. Flout means to mock or to treat with contempt. So the synonym is sneer at, snicker at, scorn. Okay? Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I'm taking your names. Okay, thank you.
مستر أمجد،
Yes, جمال.
أنا كلمت مش هنا علشان وأنا كنت بمتحن الامتحان الإنجليش أونلاين. الامتحان قفل عليا وما
ثواني يا
لحقتش
جمال،
أكمله.
بعدين. ثواني
آه.
بعدين. ابو مازن. صباح الفل. لا انا عندي سيشن اخلصها واكمل. يلا سلام. حاضر. يلا سلام. ايه يا جمال، سوري معلش، انا كنت فاكر يعني مستر ايمن بيكلمني من المدرسه، يعني حاجه مهمه.
لا عادي. أنا الامتحان بتاعي الإنجليش آخر مرة لما كنت بحله فصل عليا في النص، وكلمت مش جيهان، فهي مش جيهان ردت عليا النهاردة وقالت لي في الأونلاين سيشن قول للمستر يفتحه لك في الوقت اللي هو المناسب ليه.
طب هشوف الموضوع ده يا جمال. حاضر.
ماشي، شكرا.
عفوا. هبقى اشوف واقول لك. حاضر ماشي، هبقى اقول لك بكره يعني.
شكرا.
ماشي اوكي خلاص. flout to mock, to treat with contempt or sneer at, sneaker, right? Opposite is obey or honor. Obey or honor. So let's see. Flout to mock, flesh to steal, extricate to free from or remove or extract, equitable to fair, just. Okay, means fair or just. Caveat, a warning or caution to prevent misunderstanding. Okay, guys, please take a screenshot for these 10 words. Please, everybody do now, just right now, because the time of the session is about to end. Go ahead and tell me in the chat box. Please, everybody take a screenshot for these words quickly. Have you done? Guys, take a screenshot. I'm waiting for your response. Please, everybody do. No one answered. Yes. Done. Okay. Please, everybody take a screenshot. Yalla, quickly. Abdullah. Word. Okay. Who else? Yusuf Ala. Okay. Please, everybody. Because for sure you need these words. For sure, yeah. Word number 10. Fractious. Okay. Tending to be troublesome. Tending to be troublesome. Unruly. Synonym, refractory. Okay. Peevish. fractious, tending to be troublesome, someone who loves problems, tending to be a troublesome. Okay, so we have fractious, tending to be troublesome, flout, to mock, to laugh at, flesh, to steal, especially in a sneaky way, or to steal things of little value, extricate, to free or remove, or to extract. I'm revising them quickly before the end of the session. Equitable means fair, just. Caveat, a warning or caution to prevent misunderstanding. Pleasant, to utter or amplish, to display, okay, to publish, but widely. Word number 3, axiomatic, self-evident, okay, expressing a universally accepted principle. Autonomy, self-government or political control. And this is the first word, amnesty, general pardon for an offense against government. In general, any act of forgiveness or absolution. These are the first 10 words in Unit 5. Please study them by heart, okay? Don't neglect vocabulary. It's very important. So tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to complete them. We still have another part, which is part 2. Do you have any question? If you have a question, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay, guys, we have finished for today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to complete. Thank you so much. Goodbye and good luck. Thank you.